Welcome to BluePrint Automation, creator of ultra-flexible case-packing solutions and high-speed vision-guided robotics, used by thousands of customers all over the world. Full-service manufacturing facilities in Europe and North America, supplemented with sales and support centers around the globe, mean we're always local.
Our dream is to have machinery that doesn't require any operators, no maintenance, and no training. That would be the dream. We like to express what we call the BluePrint difference through our customer triangle. So the C is in the middle of the triangle. It represents the customer, and the customer is the purpose. It's what we are doing it all for. It also stands for our commitment to that customer. Flexibility is extremely important for BluePrint. Most importantly, it represents our flexible attitude towards the customer, where we want to go in not with a fixed, pre-thought of solution, but rather go in and truly understand what the application is about and create the best value for the customer. The ability to be able to form new combinations of already existing Lego blocks, or to create a new Lego block and put that into the combination, somehow building a truly differentiated solution for that customer, that is a really powerful mix. Once you build that relationship and you build a certain level of trust, we also understand the applications better and better, making our solutions more and more relevant to the customer. The long-term relationship is a value that goes deep to BluePrint Automation. It's where you're not looking at just a contractual agreement and everybody looks out for their own, for that specific contract. But no, every new project is put in the perspective of the longer-term relationship where both parties look out for each other. So the three legs, they really reinforce each other and form what we believe is the BluePrint difference.